Let's go with this kettle. Sumo kettle. It's the same brand as the others. It's a very good brand. This item is 1.8 liter, as you can see, and it's a clear model. It's a as you can see, this item comes with a mini manual, so you can check it out. You have 2 languages as the prior items, but as it's a small kettle, so it does not have so many instructions, just safety instructions. That's it's a very thick and strong glass. It also includes LEDs. Just a switch, the same thing, and it's an automatic switch. So, and it has instructions on the bottom. The kettle says do not immerse the base of this kettle or the plate in water. It's a convenient and beautiful design. It has a water filter, an ergonomic button to open the lid. You have to clip the both sides to open it, so it's more secure and prone to electric shocks. Cordless usage and 1.8 liter. It's a stainless steel base inner surface. It's 1500 watt and 240 volts. So if you want to purchase the product, this kettle is just for KD 900. So you can purchase it from WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook by sending us a screenshot of the product. So these products mentioned on the live video will be discounted rather than the posted price. So if you want to buy the product, you will be needed to send a screenshot of the live video, so you will be able to receive the offer.